last time I danced in the rain.
Dance in the rain. It's romantic apparently. It's raining. Yani, we are happy. We are very happy. Sitasema those are two left feet. That is sufficient enough. Have you ever seen people happy to be rained on? It's us. We've waited for this rain.
Be careful what you wish for.
Be careful what you wish for. In fact, in the morning I was like, wouldn't it be great? Ikinyesha tukiwa huku. See my life. My very nice hair is getting hydration. Team natural. Sufunike nywele, she shrinks some. Edu, they are still working with the rain. Ng'ombe pia they are minding its business. Ulisema hizi ng'ombe by the summer hazina mtu.
Hazina mtu. It's like the control.
But I'm sure our mothers are there somewhere thinking, mbona hamna sweater kwa mvua? So we'll go and find shelter. Wapi? Inside our allies' place, police station.